Before you watch this video, I want to make it clear that this is not about mental illness. If you think you're suffering from mental illness, please tell a parent, seek professional help. This is about maintaining good mental health in a general sense, and it does not replace the advice of professionals. However, working online is a totally different thing than going to school every day. And there are different tricks to having a positive mental health situation in a regular school, and then there are tricks to having one online. So let me give you some tips to have a healthy working environment. First of all, have a clean environment. Clean up the clutter. Don't work in a messy area. You need to pick a day or time every day just to make sure things are clean. You need to work at a desk or table and not sitting on your bed. Not only is this for your spinal health, but also you just feel differently and your body is in a different position with blood flow and everything when you're sitting at a desk. Get enough sleep. Don't stay up all night and sleep all day. Don't tell me that that's how you work best. It's just what you like doing for whatever reason. It's better to have regular sleep patterns where you're getting 8 to 10 hours of sleep. And just kind of grow up. Don't stay up all night and sleep all day. And don't tell me that your older siblings in college do that. I don't care. Mind your diet. And I have a whole video about this in this series. And get exercise. I have another video about this in this series. Take breaks frequently. You should not be sitting for longer than 30 to 45 minutes at a time. You should get up and walk for 5 or 10 minutes. Stand up, let the blood reposition itself. Sitting is not a normal state for your body to be in. So, get up, take breaks. Have a schedule and stick to it. That's going to help you mentally. Don't procrastinate, because that's going to get you behind and overwhelmed. It's going to stress you out. Don't work on the weekends. You need time to let the field lie fallow or sharpen the saw or however you want to phrase that. But don't work on the weekends. Get all your work done during the week. Make friends both online and real life. Friends are good because they de-stress you. They can be a good distraction for you and give you something to look forward to when your schoolwork is done. If you tell me, well, I don't know how to make friends in real life, go join some local club. Go do something where people your age are there. Fully develop your hobbies. So if you have hobbies and you kind of have dabbled in them while you were in regular school, you kind of have more time now with a flexible schedule to fully develop those. Again, those hobbies will de-stress you, provide a distraction, and give your brain a way to grow in other ways and give you something, again, to look forward to once your schoolwork's done. Always talk to your parents, school counselor, or another adult you trust when you're having issues. Don't suffer in silence. Don't suffer alone. Don't feel alone. That people are there to help you. We have one here, Ms. Benson, our school counselor, who can help you. So talk to them if you're having issues. And finally, if you get behind, get caught up as quickly as you can, because it does snowball. And here's what happens. Kid procrastinates. Kid doesn't get all their work done. They have a lot more work coming the next week. They are overwhelmed by that amount of work, and then they avoid it, which causes them to get even more work, which they continue to avoid. And then 3 weeks later, they have 3 weeks worth of work plus the next week's worth of work to do. You've got me calling you because you're having attendance issues. You've got parents breathing down your neck and teachers emailing you asking you if everything's okay. And it just becomes a huge deal. Again, if you want to have a maximized environment where you can have positive mental health, then you need to make a schedule, stick to it, get all your work done, take care of business first, and then play plenty after that while getting good sleep, eating a good diet, and exercising. And this is how you have a perfect environment for health and happiness at home while you're working online. Hope you enjoyed this series. I'll be doing another series soon. Let me know if you have any questions, and please tell someone if you are not happy, if you're having issues, if you feel like you need help. We're always glad to provide help.